Um, so, if you haven't been here all week, I've been on vacation with the family and really been struggling with some of these technical issues. But anyway, let's make the best of it. All right. That being said, keep in mind, market is closed tomorrow. Okay. So market closed tomorrow. No pre-market prep. I won't be here. Monday, I'll be back home, on my normal setup. So again, thank you for bearing with me this week, and back to normal on Monday. All right, FTFT, let me get some notes going here. Kind of the main crypto watch this morning. What is it, 4/1/2021? The bummer is Bitcoin just refuses to break 60,000. But here's the interesting thing. Top BTC watch. If you guys have been here, we've talked about this so much, man. Listen, Bitcoin has a brick wall at 60,000. Cannot break out. But what do we got? We're going into a 3-day weekend, okay? And I know this might sound like so overly simplistic, and you might be like, Tim, is it really that simplistic? I mean, we're dealing with human emotion here. I mean, that's what we're dealing with: cryptocurrencies, NFTs, low price stocks. And I mean, listen, I think there's a high likelihood, let me write it down. BTC finally breaks 60K. Traders need something to do, We're all degenerates, need something to do. And we all, listen, I'll say right off the bat, I hate 3-day weekends, man. I hate 2-day weekends. So anyway, traders are going to need something to do. I think there's a good chance Bitcoin breaks 60K. If it does, I really like FTFT with the news. And then speaking of news, MVIS, love this as a red to green today. Microsoft news last night. I think if you can get this to go red to green, I'm going to call it top red to green watch. With the MSFT US Army news. So those are kind of a couple of my main watches. Let me get some questions. Matthew again. I really like FTFT. Whoops, Matthew, I know we kind of crossed in chat, but I like FTFT over 8, especially if Bitcoin can get going. So FTFT top over 8. El Nino asking about ULCC, and I might have to sneeze. ULCC, I get no volume. Is this Frontier? Oh, disgusting. Oh, man. Frontier's going back public? Man, I tell you what. I mean, do you guys know what Frontier is? Frontier it has landlines and DSL. Oh, my God. Listen, you're free to do whatever. Oh, wait. No. Airline. Back up. Beep, beep, beep. Frontier Airline. I thought this was the bankrupt Frontier landline and DSL provider. Okay. Whoops. Hey, it was a little slow to load. My internet's a little slow. Cut me some slack. So as always, I would wait for next week on ULCC. Oh man, it gave me the heebie-jeebies. Wait for this to set up. I thought it was the old Frontier Communications going back public. And I was going to be like, what kind of suckers buy that IPO? Wait for a few days for the chart to set up. I never recommend trading day one IPOs. EEENF, that was yesterday's OTC. Man, beautiful day. So this was, guess what this was? OTC Swizzle yesterday afternoon, and yesterday morning, and it's the same today. And I know I kind of rant about this a lot, but guys, the thing with the OTCs, It was a morning panic dip buy, which it never panicked, or an OTC swizzle in the afternoon. And look at that OTC swizzle right there at 1:15 p.m. That's the exact pattern you're looking for. So, and again, listen, Monday, if EENF closes near the high of the day, it's going to be the same answer on Monday, same answer on Tuesday, same answer on Wednesday. Mara, another crypto play. Again, Mara, Riot, all of them, kind of the same thoughts as FTFT. So, Riot and Mara, it's set. All same answers as FTFT. I mean, they're all the same thing. So, Rail. Rail had a killer afternoon yesterday. Week open ready green today. So congrats to anybody that took that Rail idea from the weekend watch list. I mean, look at that breakout over 550. I believe, right? Who's on the weekend watch list? Didn't I say, that 550 break was the area to look for? Or maybe 5. Anyway, get on the weekend watch list, stockstrade.com/watch list. It'll be in your inbox on Sunday. Rail was on there, beautiful breakout, and it's a week open red to green today. So Rail, beautiful, lower priced, low risk idea from Weekend Watch. Get on there and what was I guess? Oh, and then today, week open red to green for entry. And my iPad went to sleep. Thoughts on PMFT as a possible short squeeze. PMFT. Not getting a match on that ticker, sorry. SNOA. Junkie Biotech. 4 a.m. Spiker. History of one and dones. Afternoon only. I mean, this reminds me of SEAC the other day. Okay, look at this, and if you want an example of a, what I call a one and done chart, and this is SNOA. I'm telling you, 999 times out of 1,000, I'm going to say afternoon only. Look at these doji candles. In my opinion, and you don't have to listen to me, but with these doji one and done candles should never be a touch early in the day, unless the news is just like incredible, like they cured cancer or something. So SNOA afternoon only. Basically, remember SEAC the other day, same thing. SPCB, more bags than shorts. No volume, I don't really care about SPCB. Gig'em. No volume, don't really care about Gig'em. FNKO, Funko. It's a breakout. Afternoon VWAP hold on FNKO. What are these guys? An NFT play. So, yeah, afternoon VWAP hold on FNKO. No volume yet. No volume yet. Afternoon VWAP hold. All right, guys. I'm going to run. I'm keeping it a little bit shorter, again, with all the technical issues. Thank goodness. I don't even know if the stream's working. Kind of looks like it's kind of working. So, have a great weekend, everyone. Definitely get on the weekend watch list. Keep an eye on Bitcoin this weekend. Trends we're going to be watching. NFTs. The infrastructure bill got announced last night. I expect oil and gas, steel, construction companies. We're going to have a lot to go over next week for sure. And especially, one thing to keep in mind, and I don't think I talked about this much. I see a lot of people, on Twitter, everywhere, like, oh, it's so slow, it's so slow. I will say this, okay? Number one, personally, I don't think it's slow. If you're running the right scans and looking at the right stocks, I don't think it's that slow this week. But I will say this, remember, just like I'm on vacation, spring break, this is one of the top 2 spring break weeks. And, a lot of people, me included, we couldn't, a lot of people with families couldn't do spring break last year because of the coronavirus. So I think if you think it's slower out there, just keep in mind, I think a lot of people aren't trading this week, or they're trading less. So we may see that continue a little bit into next week. Next week's a big spring break travel week as well. But quit with the sky is falling stuff. I get it. We don't have 50 runners every day, but I see a lot of these comments. And I'm like, oh my gosh. It only takes one, okay? It only takes one stock, but it's been a little slower. Realize where we're at. People are ready to get out and travel with the family, etc. for spring break. So just understand that. So, all right, have a great day. Remember, market close tomorrow, no pre-market prep, and then we'll see you bright and early Monday, hopefully technical issue free. Hopefully. Probably a tree will fall and take out my internet at home or something. But have a great day, everyone. Have a great weekend. Have a great Easter. And we'll see you Monday for pre-market prep. As always, check out the Steady Trade team. So. And I think I already thanked you guys several times, but thank you one last time for putting up with all the glitches this week. But I was still here every day, even though my technology tripped me up all week.